In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share charts in TradingView with Forex.com. Whether you're working in collaborative environments, sharing analysis with friends, or simply saving your setups for personal use, the ability to share charts in TradingView can be incredibly handy. Let's dive in and explore how you can make use of this feature efficiently. First, make sure you have TradingView open and that you're looking at the chart you want to share. For this demonstration, we'll be working with a BTC/USD asset. If you're not familiar with it yet, don't worry. What we're focusing on today is the sharing feature. Start by customizing your chart according to your preferences. You might want to add relevant indicators and drawings that help you convey your analysis. Once you have it all set up the way you like, proceed by navigating to the top right corner of the chart. There, you'll see a camera icon, which is our gateway to sharing options. Click on this camera icon to open up the sharing interface. If you want to share a link directly, select the option to Copy Link. This will create a link that includes all your current chart settings, the indicators, time frame, and any annotations you've added. After copying the link, you're free to paste it wherever you want, be it a social media platform, an email, or a chat with friends. This way, others can access your chart just as you see it, making collaboration or showcasing your analysis straightforward. Now, suppose an image is more suitable for your needs, perhaps for maintaining a trade journal or presenting information neatly in a report. In that case, the same camera icon assists you. Click it again, and this time choose either Save Image to download your chart as a PNG file, or Copy Image to place it on your clipboard, ready for pasting into a document or message. Saving an image provides a snapshot of your work, frozen in time, which can be extremely useful for record keeping or retrospective analysis. Finally, let's touch on enabling a special type of sharing called View-Only Mode. To do this, go to the main layout drop-down menu, also found in the top right corner of your chart. Find the sharing toggle and enable it. This generates a new link, distinct from our earlier one, but specifically crafted for view-only purposes. It's particularly useful when you want to share your analysis without the risk of others editing or altering it. And there you have it. Sharing charts in TradingView is just a few clicks away, whether you're sharing interactive links, saving images for personal use, or enabling secure view-only access. This versatility ensures you can maintain a smooth workflow and communicate your insights effectively with others. Thanks for watching and happy trading!